How to make garlic chili oil noodles by Manuel Wag. Here are the ingredients. Please pay attention to the screen. Before we start, we're going to watch a short video on the history and origins of noodles.
Noodles. This deliciously stringy food comes in all sorts of shapes, sizes, and ingredients. Rice noodles, spaghetti, fettuccine, vermicelli, the list just goes on and on. This begs the main question: where did noodles come from? There have been many myths surrounding the origin of noodles, and today we're going to look into that. Now, the exact origin of these thin strings is hard to pinpoint. Noodles have been a staple food in many parts of the world for at least 2,000 years. However, the earliest record of noodles appears to be in a book written during China's East Han Dynasty, sometime between 25 and 220 AD. From here, they were then diversified with the evolution of additional shapes and cooking methods. Noodles then got a huge spike in popularity via folklore related to health, religion, and economy. However, these records of noodles are only just that, records. Archaeologists believe that noodles were around much prior to the rise of the Han rule. Excavation sites have revealed that wheat grains and early production tools existed from the early to late Neolithic period, an astonishing 10,000 years before.
I hope you're hungry and ready to learn this easy, delicious recipe. We're going to begin by chopping about 6 cloves of garlic very, very fine, as well as some scallions very, very fine, and do not forget the white part as well. We're going to chop that and include that in the recipe. After that, we are going to use our frozen udon noodles. You're more than welcome to use fresh noodles. I just found these to be a little easier. They just make my life easier because they're frozen. Okay, we're going to boil those noodles for about 10 minutes in some hot water. And then we are going to use some gongcha paste, which is a spicy Korean paste. This is a key ingredient, so please don't miss out on that. Then a tablespoon of oyster sauce and dark mushroom flavored soy sauce with a teaspoon of brown or white sugar. I use brown sugar, but you guys are more than welcome to use whichever one you like. Then we are going to use 2 tablespoons of oil and cook the garlic and scallions and gongcha paste. I wish you guys can smell how amazing it smells. Mix all of those together. And then you're going to add in your boiled noodles and let it soak in all of that flavor. I wish you guys can smell this. And then pour in the little sauce that we made. And final product, you're more than welcome to top this with some Korean cucumbers. It actually goes very well with it. Or just eat it on its own. It's amazing. Bon appetit! I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe.